Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Slack account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded your Slack app. Now open the app. Then click on Sign In option. Here, if you had used your Google account or email address or workspace URL while creating an account, then click on those options respectively in order to log in. Here, I'm going to click on Continue with email address. Now enter your email address. Then tap on Next button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can sign into Slack account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.